Hello everyone, my name is Viktor and I'm from Viktor's English. Today we will talk about the letter C. The sound of letter C is k, k. For example, a cat, cat. Can the cat say? No. Can the cat say? No. The cat can say. Okay, we know about the cat, but there is a bigger animal. It's a camel. I am on a camel. The cat is small and the camel is big. Oh, a camel is hungry. I will give it a carrot. Oh, a cat is also hungry. I'll also give it a carrot. The camel eats the carrot and the cat eats the carrot. Or no. So, today we again have learned 3 words but with the sound k. K, k, cat, k, k, camel, k, k, carrot. So, say goodbye, Viktor. See you next time.